Okay, hello guys, hello everyone. My name is Olimpio Tuns, and today we'll talk about the FOMC in this live trading webinar, this live trading session. Please guys, before I will start this webinar, before we'll talk about the FOMC, about the US dollar, about gold, US equities, please read the disclaimer, because it's important to understand the risks before trading on the financial markets, okay? On Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, CFDs, indexes, it's really important. And if you have questions, Andy Smith, hi, how are you? If you have maybe more questions, you can email support. And if you'll email support, please have patience, because and this meet a historic day today, because there are a lot of emails, but they will come back to you and they will reply, okay? And of course, if you are not a VIP member, if you are only a free member, you can access the link posted right below this video, to join our VIP Telegram group, if you want to get all our services, if you want to get all our trades, trade management. And it's also important to become a VIP member to get all our trades, because we don't know what trade will be profitable. Being only a free member. Jenny, let's see what it brings. Let's see what this monetary policy meeting will bring into the markets. So first of all, guys, if you are a VIP member, you already know that personally I have a pending order in euro versus the US dollar. I will keep that pending order, and personally I will not show the setup here right now, but I will keep that pending order because right now the price is located far above my pending order, because I have a sell stop in euro versus the US dollar. But let's see how the price action will react around the FOMC. So let's take a look here. So later in 13 minutes, the Federal Reserve is expected to hike, to increase its federal funds rate from 0.25% to 0.50%, and let's see how the markets will react. Let's see how the dollar index, the US dollar, will react, how the price of gold will react around this potential hike. And don't forget that the FOMC statement, economic projections, and the FOMC press conference later today will in 42 minutes will bring sharp movements, high volatility. That's why you have to be careful, okay? The FOMC, the Federal Reserve, this event, actually the FOMC, is seen as a high impact event, so you have to be careful, okay? Let's take a look here on the euro versus the US dollar. You have to understand that we don't know exactly what will really happen. Actually, in my opinion, let's take a look also on the dollar index. In my opinion, if the Federal Reserve or the FOMC will come in more hawkish than expected, then maybe the DXY will jump higher, so the US dollar could appreciate versus its rivals. Personally, this is my opinion here, because the current rate hike was expected, but I don't know, further rate hikes in the upcoming monetary policy meetings could lift the US dollar in the short term, okay? So more hawkish than expected. The Federal Reserve could also be good for the US dollar, could push the greenback, the US dollar, higher versus its rivals, okay? So dollar index, I talked about this area here today, about 98.67. It has failed to stay above it, temporary drop here, but in my opinion the bias is still bullish, despite this retreat, and yeah, right now the dollar index rallies in the short term ahead of the FOMC, and that's why guys, the euro versus the US dollar drops as well. Please guys, if you have questions, yeah, something like this, yeah, something like maybe potential static support here, 98.45, only false breakdowns, and yeah, let's wait to see what will really bring this this high impact event. Right now, yeah, euro versus the US dollar has started to drop. That's why guys, personally I'm holding and I'm keeping my pending order. I'm not showing the setup here only because it was only for the VIP members, and if the price will hit my entry, then yeah, I will come back with my update here. But as you already know, I've talked about my opinion here in euro versus the US dollar, why I'm still bearish maybe here on this market, on this currency pair. Yeah, I've told you that we have a confluence area here. We have 1.1019, the inside sliding line here, a confluence area, only false breakout, and right now the price has started to drop only because the dollar index has rallied. And yeah, let's wait and see what will really happen in the short term. Also, yeah, Orlando's Jenny, I see you are looking at the 1 hour time frame. Are you looking to trade shorter time frames for this event? No, I'm not looking to trade on lower time frames because the volatility will be high, and yeah, as I've said, euro versus the US dollar could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term. Okay, so no, I don't want you to trade on lower time frames because the price could I don't know, make a new false breakout here, could make a false breakdown here. So that's why I don't want to yeah, to lose money, and I don't want to confront to front run this high impact event. So Jenny, if you are already a VIP member, you have my setup, my trade in euro versus the US dollar, yeah, and yeah, I'm keeping that that pending order only because I believe that it's a great setup. Yeah, if the price will continue to drop, yeah, if it will maybe continue to stay below these resistance levels or something. So no, I will not trade on lower time frames. Yeah, because maybe we could wait for the yeah, for the euro US dollar maybe to escape also from this, I don't know, something like a triangle here or something, to make a valid breakdown below this uptrend line, or to make a valid breakout. Yeah, yeah. Jasper, can you take a look on euro versus the Swiss franc? Yeah, I will take a look. What are your thoughts on how the metals will be affected, particularly gold? So let's take a look on gold. Yeah, I will take a look on euro versus the Swiss franc as well. So let's take a look on gold before the FOMC. Yeah, before the federal funds rate will be released. Sorry, guys. So yeah. Orlando's long position in gold is still open, is still active. He will come back with his updates. I will not talk about his trade because I don't like to talk about someone else's trades. Each trader is different, has his own style, management, or something like this, strategy. So I will not talk about it, but I will talk about gold. So yeah. Right now is in a strong corrective phase here, and also after ignoring 1959.40, 1965.57, and also after ignoring the uptrend line, it has resumed its sell-off. I've talked about something like this in my previous maybe webinars or videos or analysis, written analysis. So right now, personally, maybe I'll wait here. We have a strong maybe support, yeah, strong support, guys. one moment. So in my opinion, we have something like a potential support here around the 61.8 retracement level. Okay, so 61.8 retracement level, 1891.39. Also the weekly S2 here, 1894.31. As potential support levels. You can see that maybe right now the sellers have or the price action signaled that maybe the sellers are exhausted, but in the short term, yeah, after registering a value breakdown here below the 50% retracement level, the bias is still bearish. So I don't want to do anything right now on gold. I don't know how it will impact right now, because you can see that the price of gold dropped and plunged, maybe also because yeah, traders, investors maybe expected a diplomatic solution, yeah, between Russia and Ukraine, and I don't know, maybe also the dollar index is rally forced the price of gold to drop also, because yeah, the Federal Reserve is expected to hike rates, is expected to increase the federal funds rate. Also maybe that's why the price of gold dropped in the short term. Okay, but I don't know, yeah, after such a massive drop, an impressive sell-off, yeah, personally I'm expecting something like a rebound, but I still need confirmation. Personally I don't have something right now. I need to see something, I don't know, maybe test retest here, false breakdowns, a pin bar, false breakdown with great separation. I don't know, maybe I want something like potential, I don't know, something like this, like head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. I want a double bottom, I want a triple bottom, I don't know. I want a reversal pattern, a bullish reversal pattern before I will consider going long on gold. Okay, so right now I don't have something like a bullish reversal pattern, like a signal or something that the price of gold will turn to the upside. Okay, so right now the pressure is still high. The price of gold is still bearish in the short term, so that's why I don't want to do anything. And maybe, I don't know, if the, and also as long as it stays right below this downtrend line, I don't want to be a buyer here. But I don't know if the Federal Reserve will be, I don't know, dovish, will have the Federal Reserve, I don't know if it will have a dovish speech or something, then maybe the price of gold could rally, could develop a new leg higher. Okay, in the short term. 2 minutes before the FOMC, I will also refresh Forex Factory here, but also I will send something from my news terminal. Yeah. So yeah, this is my opinion here in gold right now. A corrective phase. Yeah. Very breakdown below the 50% retracement level. It has ignored all these downside obstacles. So right now the bias is bearish in the short term. But don't forget also that maybe this could be, I don't know, this could be something like a falling wedge pattern, and the falling wedge pattern potential reversal, a bullish reversal pattern. But yeah, this potential pattern is far from being confirmed. So yeah, we still need confirmation here. Yeah, the price action developed something like this, but yeah, we are maybe something like this, test retest, false breakdown, sideways movement, valid breakout could bring us something. Yeah, that's why we have to wait, guys. So I'm waiting for the federal funds rate to be released. Also, yeah, as I've said, I will also I will send something from my news terminal. So let's refresh it, because the federal funds rate was released. One moment. So yeah, so the US interest rate decision as expected, guys. One moment, because I will update the groups. Yeah, I will send also into the free group. So yeah, the Federal Reserve decided to increase the federal funds rate, yeah, from 0.25% to 0.50%, yeah, as expected. So also I will keep an eye on my news terminal here. But yeah, we'll also have to wait for the FOMC press conference. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. Gold. Yeah, right now in the short term, let's take a look on 15 minutes. Yeah, it tries to rebound, but I don't have something right now. I'll wait maybe for the FOMC press conference. I'll wait maybe for the markets to calm down, to cool down. Maybe after something like this. Yeah, strong sell-off here in euro versus the US dollar, guys. So heads up. Strong sell-off right now. I'm still keeping my pending order here in euro versus the US dollar. Right now in the short term, here on 1 hour, I've told you that euro versus the US dollar is trapped between the immediate downtrend line here maybe and the uptrend line. Yeah, sell off right now after the federal funds rate publication released, but yeah, we'll have to wait. I told you we could have sharp movements in both directions, right? So that's why it's important maybe to stay away, to wait for fresh and for new opportunities later today or tomorrow, after the markets will I don't know, offer us a clear direction, new opportunities or something. So that's why I don't want to front run this high impact event, or yeah. So it has dropped as much as 1.0957. right now it's trying to rebound. I don't know. Yeah, I've told you, sharp movements in the short term. I'm expecting sharp movements. So yeah, personally I have that pending order. I don't want to do anything right now. If the price will approach and reach my entry, if it will trigger my short position, it's fine. And if it will maybe invalidate a potential deeper drop, if it will make a value breakout here above the immediate obstacles, it could jump higher. But this scenario could take shape only if the, I don't know, we'll have a dovish FOMC, Federal Reserve or something. So I'm still waiting. One moment. Look at silver. Yeah, I will take a look at silver. So implication of Russian war is highly uncertain for the US economy. Yeah, inflationary pressure remains high due to supply difficulties and the pandemic. Fed median shows unemployment at 3.5% by the end of 2022. Yeah. Fed officials see Fed funds rate at a median of 2.8 at the end of 2023. From my news terminal, but yeah, let's wait. Gold as well. Let's take a look. Yeah. It has rallied. Let's take a look on silver as well. Also about silver, guys, if you remember, I've talked about this level here, key level 24.702. Yeah. I talked about this key level. So this could represent a support, a demand zone, demand area. Even if the price drop it and close it below this level here in silver, I've said, guys, maybe yesterday or in the previous days, I've recorded a daily video analysis when I've talked about silver, and I talked about this former high here. So we have something like a demand zone here. Okay, so even if the price drop it below this level, you have to be careful here, because staying above it and maybe a bullish pattern here could bring us a new long opportunity. So we are in a support zone, demand area here in silver. So yeah, personally, I'll keep an eye on this market, because yeah, I want maybe to catch a new upside movement here. Yeah, maybe something like this, or actually let's use this trend line. Yeah, and here in silver we could have, guys, something like a potential double bottom. Okay, a reversal pattern here, a potential reversal pattern here, but we still need confirmation. Yeah, because yeah, this level here, the immediate high 25,000, sorry, 25.051, 25.51 stands as an upside obstacle. Yeah, as a resistance. And yeah, also as long as it stays right below the immediate downtrend line, I don't know, it could also and only retest these before dropping deeper. It could register only false breakouts, so you have to be careful. Okay, yeah, something like this here in silver. So I will keep an eye on this market, something like a range in the short term, and this range could represent, yeah, or actually this could represent a distribution pattern. If the price stays below the downtrend line and you lower low valid breakdown, could signal potential downside movement, deeper drop. Or if the price makes a valid breakout from this range, an upside breakout, could confirm a potential double bottom pattern, reversal pattern here. So yeah, maybe we'll have something here, but we still need confirmation. I'll wait, because the price could make something like this, a false breakout, then to drop. Yeah, so that's why we need to be careful right now. Also, it could I don't know, it could drop and then to jump higher. So yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, so Andy Smith, what was the silver all-time high price? It is currently something like half the price of its all-time high. So let's take a look. I don't know. So what I have here on trading view on Wanda, yeah, it is something like this, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Okay, sorry. But it doesn't matter if it's I don't know, around half of its yeah, something like this. But no, I will keep an eye on this on silver, on this market. And because here on daily, Andy Smith, you can see that it moves somehow sideways. You already know from my previous sessions, yeah, that silver moves somehow sideways here. Yeah, so also something like this here. Yeah, I deleted my drawings. only because yeah, I want to build something new here. So right now, after this breakout, it has dropped maybe to retest this key level and also the broken downtrend line. But here we'll need, as I've said, we'll need the price to maybe to come back higher, maybe to escape from this range, maybe to make a new higher high, to confirm maybe potential new leg higher, to confirm that this it was only a temporary retreat that maybe we had here, or maybe this will be also a falling wedge pattern. Yeah, so we'll have to wait. Personal wait here in silver. Yeah. Because we need confirmation, guys. I will take a look. Don't forget to like the video, my webinar. It will help me to the YouTube algorithm. One moment. So the majority of Fed officials see as many as 7 rate increases in. One moment, because I will copy paste this text and I will share it with you guys. Yeah. So yeah, very important from my news terminal. The majority of Fed officials see as many as 7 rate increases, yeah, in 2022. So very important. This could be something like hawkish FOMC, Federal Reserve. Yeah, from my news terminal. Very, very important. Yeah. One moment, because I have to read here in my news terminal. Yeah. Also something like this. Ongoing increases appropriate, guys. So I'm sharing with you guys today. I'm sharing also with the free members what I have from my news terminal. But as you already know, personally I'm sharing this kind of news and data only with the VIP members. So gold, yeah, is still there. Let's take a look again on euro versus the US dollar. I will take a look on more sell off here on euro versus the US dollar. So yeah, I'm keeping my pending order here in euro versus the US dollar. Let's take a look. Yeah, British pound US dollar, yeah, sell off. Right now this could still be only a temporary rebound in my opinion, and as long as it stays below the medium line, this could represent also something like a new flag, a continuation pattern, a bearish continuation pattern here in the short term. And if I will identify a new opportunity, new trading opportunity here around yeah, US dollar Japanese yen rally, yen basket, yeah, further drop, deeper drop. So yeah, it has failed to rebound, to register a strong rebound, to print or to develop a bullish reversal pattern. So right now the yen basket is strongly bearish. That's why the Japanese yen has depreciated versus its rival. So yeah, a deeper drop could force the yen to depreciate. US dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah, it continues to move somehow sideways. US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, could you please check the British pound, Japanese yen? Yeah, we'll take a look also on euro versus the Swiss franc, also on the British pound versus the Japanese yen. Don't worry, guys. So yeah, something like this here in the short term, US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, the reason why I didn't send this trade today, guys, yeah, I've placed it here, something like a setup for me, for myself. I will delete it. It was only because yeah, it was only a short-term setup. It was yeah, the bullish, the bias was bullish, and something like this, yeah, temporary sideways movement. And the reason why I didn't share this trade was only because I was actually, I have that pending order in euro versus the US dollar, and I don't want to double down or actually to double the risk on the US dollar right now. But yeah, this would have been a great trade in the short term, only because after something like this, temporary retreat, sideways movement, false breakdown, breakout here, retests, yeah, boom, yeah, it was a really great trade here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. But don't forget, guys, even if I didn't send this setup, I didn't send this setup because I didn't want it to front run the FOMC. I didn't want it to place or to open a trade in the short term, yeah, for the L2T, or to share something like this with the VIP members, because yeah, I've said that anything could happen in the short term around these high impact events. So yeah, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, let's take a look. Yeah, strong sell-off, strong sell-off. Let's take a look, dollar index. But don't worry, if you're a VIP member and if the dollar index will continue to grow, then yeah, you already have that my trade in euro versus the US dollar. Of course, if you want to follow it, John, I believe US 100. Yeah, so dollar index right now, breakout. Yeah, maybe I want to see something like this here, test retest before jumping higher or something. So yeah, but the bias is bullish. If it will stay above the weekly pivot point, above 98.67, it could still resume its growth, and yeah, then maybe euro versus US dollar will drop deeper. And personally, yeah, don't forget, guys, even if I didn't send that US dollar versus the Swiss franc in the short term, an intraday trade on lower time frames, I will come back. I will look for new great opportunities on all markets, on also on lower time frames after this high impact event, and I will share my trades with the VIP team, with the VIP members. So if you're not a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video to become one. Australian dollar, US dollar, let's take a look. Yeah, right now I'm taking a look on all markets, but yeah, I'll wait also for the FOMC press conference, because yeah, the volatility could be high. We could have sharp movements, so yeah, I don't want to open a trade right now in the short term. So I will answer to your questions right now. US 100. So let's take a look on US equities. Yeah. After reaching the downtrend line, only false breakout. After reaching the confluence area, forming the intersection between the downtrend line with the weekly R1. Right now, sell off only because the dollar index also rallied. Something like this. No, I don't have something really good here. Maybe, I don't know, new higher high, valid breakout here, could signal potential growth. But right now, as long as it stays right below this downtrend line, yeah, it could come back down. Also, don't forget that we have these former lows here. yeah, as resistance levels, resistance zone, resistance area. So yeah, I don't want to do anything right now here because I'll wait for the FOMC press conference for Jerome Powell. Yeah. British pound versus the Japanese yen. Let's take a look. So yeah, further growth here, guys, as I've said, further growth here in the short term because the yen basket plunged. Yeah, but no, I don't have something right now. And also in the yen basket, so let's take a look again. Yen basket, I'll wait, guys, for something like this, maybe for a temporary rebound, yeah, before dropping deeper or something, because right now I don't want to sell the Japanese yen because yeah, the yen basket could rebound. And also let's take a look again, the British pound versus the Japanese yen. So here breakout, and maybe I'll wait for a temporary retreat before jumping higher. Okay, I don't want to buy it here because it could retreat before jumping higher. So no, I don't have something here in on the British pound versus the Japanese yen. The bias is bullish, guys, because yeah, the yen basket is bearish. Euro Japanese yen, let's take a look. In 9 minutes we'll have the FOMC press conference. Okay, Euro Japanese yen, yeah, the same here. Strong rally. I'll wait for a retreat before looking for a new buying opportunity. Strong rally here in the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, breakouts, new higher high. Yeah, I've deleted my drawings because personally I'll build new analysis every day because I'll try to identify something. But here the bias is bullish on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe something like a sideways movement here above the broken upside the obstacles could bring us something, but right now I don't want to do anything here. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, further growth. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So I'll wait. Yeah, as I've said, I'll wait for the Japanese yen to rebound. Yeah, in the short term. To increase a little, yeah, after this huge and massive drop. We also have lower low here, key level. That's why we'll have to be careful with the Japanese yen because we are in a support zone here. It has reached the key level 88.49 and a potential rebound from here, or I don't know, only a temporary rebound could bring us Japanese yen short opportunities after maybe something like this. But if the yen basket will develop here a major reversal pattern, guys, and if the yen basket will announce and confirm and signal something like an upside reversal, then we could look for Japanese yen longs. Okay, but right now we'll have to wait. Okay, Euro Swiss franc. Yeah, Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc for Jasper Zhang. I hope you are still here. And yeah, after its massive drop, maybe I've also talked about this market in my previous webinars. I've said that maybe we'll have something like this after this massive drop. But personally, I'm not trading maybe this market on this currency pair. That's why I don't have something here right now. In 5 minutes, the FOMC press conference. I will take a look on my news terminal on my platform. Yeah, I'm still holding my my pending order in euro versus the US dollar, and I really hope that the price will hit my entry, and I really hope that this will be a really good trade. Actually, the setup is yeah, high probability setup, technically, also fundamentally. So yeah, I'll wait guys. Don't forget that most likely we'll have sharp movements, high volatility around the FOMC press conference. So euro versus the Swiss franc. No, maybe I would have liked to see some after this breakout, something like test, retest, sideways movement before jumping higher. Right now I don't have something on this market. I still believe that we are also here on these former lows. Yeah, it has jumped above these former lows, but this could still be, I don't know, if it stays below the 61.8, this could still be something like only temporary growth. I don't know. Maybe we'll have something like a flag, like an up channel, and here on the 4-hour, please take a look. So we have something like a major downtrend. So this could still be only a temporary rebound, a temporary growth before dropping deeper, right? So yeah, it remains to see. Yeah, but right now I don't have even if I've said that this could still be only a temporary growth, I don't have something like a short opportunity, like a selling opportunity. As long as it stays maybe above this uptrend line, yeah, I don't want to be a seller, okay? And only maybe very breakdown below it, staying below the 61.8, or I don't know, printing here something like a bearish pattern or something could bring us new short opportunities or something, right? Gold again. Yeah, as I said, guys, sharp movements in both directions. We have here the 61.8 retracement level, 1891.39 as support, the weekly S2 here. So yeah, maybe I'll wait guys, because maybe the price action could I don't know, could develop and could confirm this this pattern, this falling wedge pattern. Yeah, test, retest, sideways movement, very breakout, a new leg higher, something like this technically. Okay, but yeah, most likely we'll have movements, sharp movements in both directions around the FOMC press conference right now. Yeah, as I've said earlier, the pressure, the bearish pressure is still high, the bias is still bearish in the short term. So yeah, something like this. And also Orlando's trading gold is still open. I don't know. I'll wait for Orlando to come back with his management. I don't know. It's his call. It's his trade. I will not do anything on his trade right now. Personally, I have right now only a pending order in euro versus the US dollar, and I will come back with more high probability trades for the VIP members. Maybe later today, after the markets will calm down, will cool down after the FOMC, or tomorrow morning. Euro US dollar. Yeah, it has retested the immediate uptrend line, as I've said. And also yesterday, as I've said earlier today in my video for the VIP members, or also in my video, I believe also in my daily video, I've talked about this false breakdown here below 1.0930, and I said that it would have been a bad decision to place a sell stop right below this former low, yeah, because well, we had only a false breakdown. Okay, let's wait for Powell's speech. The impact of the Ukraine war on the US economy is highly uncertain. The FOMC sees rate increases as necessary in the future. Yeah. From my news terminal, the FOMC intends to reduce the size of its balance sheet. Yeah. The economy is very robust. The slowdown from the Omicron variant is mild and brief. So let's wait. Yeah, strong sell-off right now, Euro USD. Yeah, strong sell-off. But let's wait, because this could still be only a false breakdown here, right? And the price could jump higher. That's why we need a valid breakdown. New lower low, okay? But personally, I'm still glad that I'm keeping that pending order in gold. In euro versus the US dollar. Right now, yeah, the price is still above my entry. But yeah, if the price will hit my entry, I will come back with my management with updates into the VIP group for the VIP members, because yeah, this is only for the VIP members. Gold still there, yeah, around 1905. I will take a look again. FOMC expect the labor market to remain strong. Inflation remains substantially above target. Yeah. A hike in the federal funds rate will be reasonable in the future. So yeah, inflation continues well above the long run target of 2%. DXY, yeah, the dollar index is strongly bullish. Strongly bullish. US oil, guys. I forgot to talk about US oil. Let's take a look. So if you remember, I've talked about this uptrend line in my previous daily video analysis. So yeah, I said that staying and below and stabilizing below the broken uptrend line. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so we have this uptrend line, and I've said, guys, that's a very breakdown below it, and also staying below the S1, and also staying within the descending pitch force body. It could activate and could signal potential deeper drop, maybe towards 85.39, towards this uptrend line. Yeah, so right now the bias is still bearish, the pressure is still high, and I don't know, a new lower low could signal potential deeper drop here in US oil. Russia's invasion of Ukraine has exacerbated inflationary pressure. We expect inflation to return to 2%. It will take longer than expected for inflation to return to target. Let's take a look also again on US 100 on the Nasdaq. Silver again. Yeah, as I've said, something like a range pattern here, sideways movement between 25.51, 24.537. So yeah, we'll have to wait. The consequences of Russia's invasion of Ukraine are quite uncertain. Yeah. Please, guys, if you have maybe more questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, while I'm waiting here for something, for a, I don't know, reaction during the FOMC press conference, Powell's speech. We are concerned about the possibility of increased inflationary pressure. Yeah. So yeah, this could still be something like hawkish. But right now, as you can see, here, yeah, right now the dollar index retreated. The likelihood of recession is isn't extremely high. Yeah. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, thank you for your Rahman, for your message. Sorry. As I've said earlier, okay. As I've said, maybe I'll wait also here in Australian dollar, Japanese yen for a temporary retreat. But please take a look here. Yeah, former highs as resistance levels here in Australian dollar, Japanese yen. And as I've said, I want also something on the yen basket. Yeah, something like this, like a resistance area or something here. It remains to see how the Australian dollar, Japanese yen will react here around this resistance zone, resistance area, supply zone. Yeah. Right now I don't want to do anything here. I'll wait to see how the price will react here around 86.24, 86 psychological level, because a very breakout could signal potential growth, further growth, upside continuation if the yen basket will resume its sell-off. And also here test retests, yeah, false breakouts, a pin bar, test retest, only false breakouts could signal a potential downside movement. So yeah, I'll wait here for confirmation, for a fresh opportunity, fresh and new trading opportunity around this resistance area. Okay, and I've said that also I'm waiting for something here in yen basket around 88.49 key level, support level. Yeah, so the yen basket reached support, Australian dollar, Japanese yen reached resistance zone, so let's wait. Yeah. If it's appropriate to move more quickly, we will do so. We'll be looking at yeah, every meeting is a live meeting with situation. Yeah. The economy is well positioned to deal with interest rate hikes. It is possible that we'll move more quickly as the year progresses. So, and this myth, I don't know, in my opinion, yeah, it's something like a hawkish, yeah, Federal Reserve, because I don't know, the Fed will be expected to continue to hike rates in the upcoming monetary policy meetings. Yeah, only because the inflationary pressure remains high. The inflation could continue to remain high. So yeah, but let's take a look. Dollar index again. Yeah, it's bullish. But I don't know. Let's wait, because I don't know, this hawkish FOMC, Federal Reserve, could be already priced in. I don't know. Could be in this upside movement, and I don't know. Let's wait. But in my opinion, technically, the dollar index is bullish. Okay. Retreat after its massive growth. Right now, something like a sideways movement or something here, but in my opinion, staying above 98.45 could still signal potential growth. Yeah. Anything could happen, guys. That's why it's important to maybe to stay away, to wait, maybe to wait for a clear direction. Yeah, also euro versus US dollar, as I've said. Yeah, we cannot exclude I don't know, new false breakout, test retest before dropping deeper, or I don't know. As I've said, this FOMC meeting, I don't know, could be already priced in or something, could be already in the price section. So yeah, we'll have to wait. But here in euro US dollar, if maybe my my pending order will be invalidated, maybe I will look for and if a potential downside movement will be invalidated, maybe I will I don't know, I will look for something like a long opportunity. But let's wait. Okay, we'll have to wait for the price to escape or to make a valid breakdown or a valid upside breakout. Yeah, the committee recognizes that the time for raising interest rates and reducing the balance sheet has arrived. I anticipate that inflation will remain high until the middle of the year. I believe that oil will face some short-term upward inflation pressure. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, high volatility, sharp movements. We don't have something really good right now. We'll have to wait. Yeah, also gold rallied right now. Silver rallies. Because also the uncertainty is high, and that's why metals jump it higher in the short term. So let's wait, guys. I said that something like this here in silver could bring us new long opportunities, could activate a new swing higher, leg higher. Let's wait for a valid breakout from this pattern or from this pattern, or to confirm this double bottom here. Okay, it seems that you don't have more questions. Thank you guys for watching this this webinar. I was live here for more than 1 hour. Don't forget to like this this video. Don't forget that yeah, Orlando's trade in gold is still good, and also my pending order in euro versus US dollar is still valid. I'm still keeping that pending order. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.